Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well and getting lots of decoration ideas from my channel. Welcome to my channel Home Decor 974. Like every time, this time I have brought you new decoration ideas. In this video, our title is about cushion covers design ideas, crochet cushion covers designs, cushion cover designs with different colors. Friends, these cushions enhances beauty to your sofas and beds. If you are new to our channel and you want to get all the new and latest videos of home decoration, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also comment in comment box, share this video, like this video. That's all. Now I'm going. Take care. Goodbye.